Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Game 7 of the NBA Playoffs Western Conference Finals, May 31, 2026. The San Antonio Spurs dethroned Oklahoma City Thunder in Game 7 to make NBA Finals 111-103. Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs started the Western Conference Finals with a win in Oklahoma City, then ended the series the same way. The defending champions are dethroned. Wembanyama and the Spurs are headed to the NBA Finals. Wembanyama scored 22 points, Julian Champagne scored 18 of his 20 from beyond the arc, and the San Antonio Spurs beat the Oklahoma City Thunder 111-103, backing heavy odds to win Game 7 on the road. Esteban Cassell added 16 points for the Spurs, who are headed to the NBA Finals for the first time since 2014. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander led the Oklahoma City Thunder with 35 points and 9 assists, but for the 8th consecutive season, the NBA will have a new champion. Cason Wallace scored 17 points, while Jared McCain had 12 for Oklahoma City. Victor Wembanyama played 42 minutes and had 22 points on 7 of 15 shooting from the field, including 3 of 5 from the three-point line and 5 of 7 from the free throw line. He also had 2 assists, 2 steals, and 3 turnovers. While Shai Gilgeous-Alexander played 43 minutes for his 35 points, shooting 12 of 21 from the field, including 2 of 5 from deep and 9 of 11 from the free throw line. He also had 3 steals, 1 block, and 3 turnovers. After 4 straight games that were largely decided going into the fourth quarter, the Oklahoma City Thunder led Game 3 by 11, the Spurs led Game 4 by 18, the Thunder led Game 5 by 10, and the Spurs led Game 6 by 26. Those leads all holding up with relative ease. This one was different, worthy of a Game 7. The Spurs led 87-7 going into the fourth, and the Spurs led by as many as 14 in the first half and then by as many as 11 in the third quarter, but the Thunder rode back both times. The Spurs pulled away in the fourth again, daring the Thunder to come back one more time. San Antonio won 8 of their 12 meetings against the Thunder this season, and in the end, the only matchup that really mattered. San Antonio Spurs shot 45% overall, that is 40 of 88 from the field, 17 of 40 or 43% from beyond the arc, and 14 of 19 from the free throw line. They also had a total of 40 rebounds, 21 assists, with 12 turnovers, 9 steals, and 2 blocks. The champions, short-handed, with Jalen Williams sidelined because of a left hamstring injury, didn't have anything left. Oklahoma City shot 37 of 83 or 45% from the field, 12 of 35 or 34% from the three-point line, and 17 of 22 from the free throw line. They had a total of 38 rebounds, 23 assists, with 13 turnovers, 9 steals, and 5 blocks. Let us have the NBA Finals game schedule on June 4, 2026. Game 1 of the NBA Finals between Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs against the well-rested New York Knicks team led by Jalen Brunson will takes place in Frostbank Center at 8:30 a.m. Philippine time or 8:30 p.m. Eastern time.